If you guys stick around to the end, you'll see a little Highline secret for
What's
you.
up guys, Emily here with Travel and Ledger, and I'm at the Highline and we are here at night. Check it out.
I'm actually really excited to tell you guys about this because I think it's one of the most underrated places in New York City. It is the Highline, and it goes all the way up to 34th Street and all the way down to Little West 12th Street. In general, it's open from 7 a.m. until 10 p.m. So I want to say this was around 7 o'clock or so. But as you walk up the stairs, you get all kinds of views. This is facing the west side. We entered around, I want to say it was like 32nd Street because a little higher up was closed under construction. So as you go up the stairs, it's about 2 floors to walk up. They also have an elevator here, so don't worry about it. And then check out these views. They did an amazing job on this park. Not only is there a bunch of plants, there's a lot of artwork, and they also worked in the old railroad tracks, so you'll actually see them on the ground here because this park actually used to be an elevated railroad track from back in the day, and they kept the railroad track there and integrated it into the artwork. They have all sorts of art pop-ups year-round, so you never know what you're going to see when you're on the Highline. There's a number of places to get on or off the Highline, so don't worry about getting on and not being able to get off. I want to say they're about every 5 or 6 blocks or so. Are you starting to see why I love this park so much? I mean, it's almost like a zoo of Manhattan if you think about it. You're really right in there, walking above traffic, walking past people's apartment buildings, walking past a bunch of tourists and other people on dates and things walking around. It's pretty cool. And there's just something about seeing the Highline at night, which I like so much better than going during the day. I was there right before all the leaves were falling off, so I mean, there were beautiful leaves everywhere. It just really led to the beauty of it all. And look at this sky today, it was crazy. Here's one of the examples of an exit where you can get off of. And wait till you guys see this. This art installment is unlike anything I've ever seen before. When you look through the viewfinder, you're actually looking at all of the traffic down below. It's pretty crazy. Can you imagine driving past that? You're going to see all kinds of characters on the Highline. There's people jogging, as I said before, dates, tour guides. There's all sorts of stuff going on all the time. And if you keep your eye on the sky, you might even catch a plane flying over you or a helicopter. In the summer in this area, they'll have pop-up movie events. There's usually always musicians performing at one point or another on the High Line too.
Work the lighting, work the lighting.
And make sure you look in those windows because there's some pretty interesting things going on in these apartments and these art galleries. And if you're a photographer or want to get some great pictures in New York City, this is the place to do it. You can take a picture with all the taxis driving below you.
All the dogs too. It looks really cool with all the red lights.
It's really like being in the heart of everything without being in the actual heart of the middle of the road. After a while, you really forget that this used to be a working railroad, and for the longest time, it was just kind of a New York City eyesore. They really did a great job and made it part of the community and made it an amazing spot to stop in New York City. They also made an addition to it called Little Island, so make sure you check that out. It's right on the other side of that flagpole over there. And as I promised, if you made it this far, it's time to let you in on a little secret. If you go down to Little West 12th Street around 13th, you'll see the Standard Hotel, and it's known as a voyeuristic hotel, so there should be some pretty interesting things going on in those windows, if you know what I'm saying.
Alright guys, that's it for the High Line. If you like this video, make sure you check out this one because YouTube thinks you will like it, and I will see you there.